Hello, in this video let me introduce how to batch export the animation resources from a group of max and the BIP file. Because the max and the BIP file are proprietary file formats, so that we cannot pass them directly outside from 3ds Max. So we needed to do that inside of the 3ds Max. Let's do that and select the AnimCraft batch export, AnimCraft, the anim data. And we need to specify the input and export folder so that we can batch deal with them. So let's open our sample G drive AC resource, and you can find there are a group of files in this folder, the batch export from 3ds Max. There is an input file. You can see there are a lot of the BIP and the 3ds Max.max file format. So with that kind of the file structure, we needed to specify the test input folder in this window. So let's do that. Let's click the input and go this G drive and the AC resource sample, and let's select the test input and click OK, so that you can see all of your input file has been listed in this window. And we need to specify the output folder, and here let's the output is PC and G drive, the resource in the output. Let's click OK so that everything is get ready, and we can select which format we want to export and click export button. So you can see that our system will automatically open this BIP or the 3ds Max file and export the resource from the character if there's a inside of the scene. You can see that the process is automatically, and if there's any of the broken inside of the process, you can continue from the previous one. Okay, that's done. With some times of conversion, you can see all the resources are exported successfully, and we can check out the output folder. You can see there are several of ACC initial. The folder has been created, and this file structure will be identity with this input folder, and here you can see that. And then we can import these of the exported resource to the AnimCraft. In the current version, we can go to the AnimCraft and right click any one of the folder and open that, open folder, and copy that to this place. Test output and paste. And then you need to refresh. And now you can select multiple of the resource and click the batch render. You can see that all of your resource has been rendered, and the GIF preview will be generated in the library. And you can see that the file structure is like this. And also there's one thing I need to mention is that if the process is broken inside it in the middle of the conversion, you can see there is a TXT files for each one of them. That file marks that the file conversion successfully. So if your the conversion is broken in the middle of the process, this text file won't be created. So you can continue from the previous one and then convert the rest of the file, and or check that file if there's any problem. Okay, this is the introduction for convert the resource in the batch mode. Thank you for your watching. See you next time.